A YGK G-Soul Japanese premium braid spool retails for $60. A Berkley Trilene XL 1,000-yard monofilament spool retails for $8. Both rated for the same breaking strength, the same largemouth bites, both. 5 fishing line brands are using the same materials, the same American factories, and the same construction specifications as the names charging 4 to 7 times the price. Wade Coleman owned a tackle shop in southeastern Oklahoma for 38 years, closed the doors for good in 2024. The day he locked up, he sat down with an inventory ledger and wrote out a different list. Not the best sellers, not the high-margin items. The list he wrote was the fishing lines he had personally spooled on his own reels for almost 4 decades, the brands he stocked because they actually worked. Most of them sat at the cheap end of the shelf. This video walks through Wade's list. 5 fishing line brands you have walked past for years. 5 brands sitting at 1/5 to 1/7 of the price of the names everybody knows. And 5 reasons the cheaper option does not just match the expensive one. In several cases, it outperforms it. Number 5 on Wade's list. Bass Pro Shops XL Monofilament. The classic Bass Pro store brand fishing line, manufactured under private label contract with the same American line factories that supply several premium brands. The standard 1,000-yard spool retails at approximately $5 at any Bass Pro Shops location. The premium import braids in the same breaking strength range retail between $15 and $35 for 150 yards. The construction comparison is straightforward. XL uses a nylon copolymer formula molded in the same American line extrusion facilities but produce several premium American monobrands. The diameter consistency is verified at the spool level. The breaking strength holds within manufacturer tolerance. Both XL and Trilene XL produce monofilament that handles a largemouth on a Texas rig in heavy cover. The argument for Bass Pro XL is the math. A serious angler respooling 4 reels twice per season at $5 per spool spends approximately $40 per year online. The same angler running premium imports at $15 per 150 yards spool spends approximately $160 per year. The cost gap is $120 per year for the same line capacity on the same reels. Wade kept XL spools in his own personal tackle box across the last decade of running the shop. Number 4 on Wade's list. Stren Original. DuPont introduced Stren in 1959, the same year Berkley introduced Trilene, American monofilament technology that powered tournament bass fishing for the next 4 decades. Today, Stren Original retails at approximately $7 per 300-yard spool. The premium Japanese fluorocarbon equivalent retails between $15 and $20 for 150 yards. Stren Original has been on American tackle store shelves continuously since the Eisenhower administration. The line that landed millions of tournament largemouth across 6 decades of American bass fishing history. The nylon copolymer formula is well understood, well tested, and produced in domestic American facilities. The retail price reflects 65 years of refined manufacturing rather than imported premium positioning. Compared directly, a 300-yard spool of Stren Original at $7 works out to 2 cents per yard. A 150-yard spool of premium imported Japanese mono at $20 works out to 13 cents per yard. That is a 6-to-1 cost ratio for what independent testing has shown to be comparable knot strength, comparable breaking strength, and comparable abrasion resistance in heavy cover applications. The next 3 brands on this list are the ones Wade said most of his customers walked past every single time. Before we get to them, point your camera at the QR code on the screen. The Angler's Vault just opened with the complete smart gear system Wade used to build a tournament-ready line inventory for under $30 per season. The vault includes the full Smart Gear Under 300 module, the 10 fatal mistakes anglers make when buying line, and the complete redding water module that tells you exactly when budget mono outperforms premium braid. Link is pinned at the top of the description. One-time payment, no subscription. Now, back to the countdown. Before we continue, Wade had 4 tests every customer could run in any tackle shop to separate budget line that delivers from line that only looks cheap. These 4 tests work whether the angler is comparing mono, fluorocarbon, or braided line. First, read the construction specifications. Look for the specific copolymer designation on mono, the fluorocarbon density rating on fluoro, and the strand count on braid. Premium brands often list less information on the spool because the marketing trades on the brand recognition. Budget brands often list more specifications because the data is the selling argument. Second, stretch a foot of line between 2 fingers before you buy. Quality monofilament stretches 20 to 30% before failure. Quality fluorocarbon stretches 10 to 15%. Cheap line stretches inconsistently or breaks at minimal tension. The line that fails the in-store stretch test will fail at the trophy fishhook set. Third, country of origin is a partial signal, not absolute. American manufacturing at Berkeley in Iowa, Japanese manufacturing at Sufix and YGK, and certain Korean facilities maintain higher specifications. The exception proves the rule. Some American budget brands like XL and Stren Original run higher quality control than premium imports. The label matters less than the specifications. Fourth, the 50-trip test. If a $5 spool of XL still holds the breaking strength rating after 50 fishing trips, the angler has the answer. If a $20 premium import develops memory or weakness in the same window, the angler has a different answer. This test costs nothing but time. Time is how every claim in this video gets verified. Number 3 on Wade's list. Sufix 830 to Advanced Superline. Manufactured by Rapala VMC Corporation in Finland, the 8-strand HMPE construction with GORE fiber technology launched in 2010 and has held tournament pro market share ever since. The Sufix 832 spool retails at approximately $20 per 150 yards. The premium Japanese braid equivalent retails between $40 and $60 for the same yardage. The construction is the durable part. Sufix 832 uses 7 strands of HMPE high modulus polyethylene, woven with 1 strand of GORE fiber technology. The result is a braided line with 30% greater Palomar knot strength than typical 8-strand competitors. The Japanese YGK G-Soul uses similar 8-strand HMPE construction without the GORE fiber. The retail premium for the YGK is $40 per spool for marginal performance difference in independent testing. The argument is the tournament data. Walker Smith documented running Sufix 832 across 5 tournament seasons at Wired to Fish without finding a weak point in the line construction. Field and Stream named Sufix 832 a top tournament braid in 2025 for the 2nd consecutive year. The brand does not advertise on YouTube. The brand does not sponsor influencers. The brand makes the line and lets the tournament results speak. Number 2 on Wade's list, Seaguar Red Label Fluorocarbon. Manufactured by Kureha Chemical in Japan, the Red Label line is the entry tier of the Seaguar fluorocarbon family. Retails at approximately $15 per 200 yards spool. The premium Seaguar Tatsu, or Invis X equivalent, retails between $35 and $50 for the same yardage. The construction comparison reveals the difference between premium positioning and actual fluorocarbon chemistry. The Red Label uses 100% fluorocarbon polymer extruded in the same Kureha chemical facilities that produce the premium Seaguar lines. The diameter consistency is comparable. The pound test rating holds within manufacturer tolerance. The premium Seaguar tier adds proprietary surface treatments that add cost without proportionally improving fish catching performance. The argument is the chemistry. Fluorocarbon line is essentially a single polymer family with minor variations in extrusion process and surface treatment. The premium Seaguar lines extract margin through marketing and packaging rather than through fundamentally different chemistry. The Red Label catches the same fish at less than half the cost. Wade stocked Red Label as the entry fluorocarbon for cost-conscious anglers across the last 15 years of running the shop. Number 1 on Wade's list, Berkley Trilene XL, America's best-selling monofilament. Berkley introduced Trilene in 1959. 67 years of continuous American monofilament production. The 1,000-yard filler spool retails at approximately $8 at any tackle store in America. That works out to less than 1 cent per yard. Berkley officially designates Trilene XL as America's best-selling monofilament. The current formulation delivers 20% greater knot strength than the original formula, 50% greater wet strength, and 20% more flexibility. The improvements compound on a line that has held its market position for 67 consecutive years. The forum testimony from verified Berkley customers documents the consistency that Wade saw in his own shop. One verified user reported using Trilene XL continuously for over 50 years without finding a weak point. Another reported using it for over 25 years through every freshwater technique. The line that catches the same fish for half a century at $8 per 1,000 yards is the line that wins on cost per fish landed. Wade said the same thing about Trilene XL that he said about every other item on this list. The customer who paid attention saved hundreds of dollars per year. The customer who chased the brand name spent that money on marketing instead of fish. Wade kept Trilene XL spools in his own personal tackle box across all 38 years of running the shop. He fished tournaments with that line in his early years. He fished for groceries with that line in his middle years. He fished for the love of it in his last decade running the shop. The line still produced fish in every one of those decades. The formula changed names a few times. The packaging updated periodically. The specifications drifted slightly, but the principle held. Buy the construction, skip the marketing, let the fish decide which line works. Wade's complete list. Bass Pro XL monofilament at $5 for the private label Honest Mono. Stren Original at $4 for 65 years of continuous American production. Sufix $8.32 at $3 for the 8-strand HMPE plus GORE Fiber Tournament Pro Standard. Seaguar Red Label at $2 for the entry tier. Fluorocarbon from the same Kureha chemical facility as the premium Seaguar lines. Berkley Trilene XL at $1 for America's best-selling monofilament at less than 1 cent per yard. The math across a single fishing season is significant. A serious angler running premium imported line brands across 4 reels spends between $500 and $800 on line replacement annually. The same angler running Wade's 5 brands spends between $80 and $150. For the same coverage, the savings are between $400 and $700 per year. The fish caught are statistically the same. Read the construction specifications on the spool. Look at the country of origin for both the line and the parent company. Test the line over 50 trips. The brands on this list survive that sequence. Most premium imports at 4 times these prices do the same job. The pattern connecting all 5 brands is the absence of 1 or more layers of markup. Bass Pro shops eliminated the wholesale distributor margin through vertical integration. Stren and Trilene eliminated the import distributor margin through continuous American manufacturing since 1959. Sufix eliminated the celebrity marketing budget by letting tournament results speak. Seaguar Red Label eliminated the premium packaging tax while keeping the same Kureha fluorocarbon chemistry. The bulk private label brands eliminated the wholesale layer and the brand marketing budget entirely. Every one of them put the money into the line instead of the label. The men who know these brands tend to stay quiet about it. They buy their line 1,000 yards at a time. They spool their reels with brands that have no marketing budget left to spend. They drive home from the tackle shop with the same fish in the live well as the angler who spent 4 times as much. The Smart Gear Under 300 module gives you the complete tournament-ready line inventory. The 10 Fatal Mistakes module covers the spooling errors that cost anglers hundreds of dollars per season on line wear. And the annual fishing calendar tells you exactly when each line type earns its place on the reel. All inside the angler's vault. Link is pinned at the top of the description. Hit the like button if Wade's list changed how you think about your line inventory. Drop a comment with a cheap line you swear by and how many seasons your favorite spool has lasted. They were never looking for a logo. They were looking for a line that does its job and does not ask for attention.